Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Wahirul Arif bin Abdul Razak. I'm from M3CS2554A and my attendance number on the list is 26. So in this video I will be presenting my individual projects. In this project we need to create two jails. In the first jail we have to create three C language program, that is FOB, pipe and signal. And in the second jail we need to run a simple C program by using shell scripts. So let's move on to the terminal. As you can see, this is my FreeBSD, but I have already connected it to the PuTTY terminal, so we will be using the PuTTY terminal. Okay, first of all I will show you the list of the jail that I have created. So there are two jails that I have created with their respective IP address. So we'll be go into the jail 1 first. So this is the jail 1. If we do if config, I can show you that we have the same IP address as the one that I have shown you in the table. So let's clear it first. Okay, firstly I will show you my signal program. So this is the coding for the signal. This is the signal handler, and this is the code for show the current IP address, and this is the code for signal. Okay, let's clear it back, then we run the program. So this is my signal address. As you can see, this is the IP address and this is the signal. So when I press Ctrl and slash, it will show that signal has been received and be suspended. And then when I Ctrl C, it will exit the signal program. So the IP address is still the same. Yes, as you can see, 131. Okay, and then we move on to the second program, that is pipe. So I'll show you my pipe coding first. So this is the coding for the pipe, and the top one is still the same, just to show the IP address. Okay, and this is the code for the pipe. I using FOB also in the pipe program. Okay, then we run it. Clear it first. So this is the pipe program. So let me show the IP address first, then Mr. Robot will reading from the pipe while Elliot is writing to the pipe. So as Elliot, we write some word, I will say just hi. Then as you can see, Mr. Robot got the transfer message, and he's received hi from Elliot. Okay, then we clear it back, and I will show you the last C program for these jails, that is FOB. So first I will open the FOB coding. So this is the FOB coding that consists of the child and parent. Then this. Okay, then we move on to run the code. Okay, we clear it back first, then we load the fork. Okay, as you can see, this is the parent process and the PID is 3801. So then the parent will show the child ID, so then it's waiting for the child to exit. So this is the child process. The child PID is as you can see at the top. Okay, it is the same. Okay, then we enter the exit status for child. Let's say we put it 6. Then there it is. Okay, we are done in the jail 1. Now we exit and move on to the jail 2. Clear it back first. Okay, jail. Lift up first, then I will show you the IP address. So it's still the same for jail 2. Okay, then we clear it back. So in this jail we need to run one of standalone C program, but I have made 3. So let's list first. So here, as you can see, I have create prime number, random number, and the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, then I will show you the coding for the prime number first. So this is the coding for the prime number. Okay, nothing much to show because it is a simple C program only. Then I show you the random. Oh, my bad. I save it as run. See, okay, there we go. This is the coding for the random number. Okay, and then lastly the coding for the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, then we will go to the shell script. Show the shell script coding first. Okay, exe2.sh. As you can see, this is the coding for the shell that will be running the C program that I have created earlier, that is Fibo, prime, and random. Okay, and as you can see, this command here is to show the IP address of the current jail. Okay, let's leave the editor mode and let's run the sh exe2.sh. So as you can see, this is the IP address. Here show the host name, that is jail2. Okay, first I will show you the Fibonacci sequence. So enter 1. Then as you can see, it is require us to enter a positive number, and there is the IP address that has been shown. It is the same at the top also. Okay, and first we need to enter a positive number. Okay, let's say I enter 1000, so it will show the Fibonacci series up until closest to the 1000, but not more than 1000. Okay, and we'll run back again. So the second one is the prime number, so enter the number of prime numbers to print. So what this mean is, if we enter 7, let's say we enter 7, it will show 7 prime numbers starting from the lowest to the highest. Okay, and we run it again to show the random number. So we enter the lower range. Let's say enter the lower range is 0 and the upper range is 100, and 5 random number is 67, 78, 14, 49 and 7. Okay, let's say if I enter a wrong number, for example 8, so it will show that wrong input, please try again. Okay, and then if I want to exit, just enter 00 and it will show that exited. So I think that's all from me. Thank you to my Sir Shahdan and my fellow friends.